Hello, welcome to this video editing for beginners course. In this first session, we are going to understand what video editing really is, why storytelling matters in short form content, and how to navigate CapCut as a beginner. So if you're new to editing, don't worry, we are starting from the basis. Video editing is the process of selecting, arranging, trimming, and enhancing video clips to tell a clear and engaging story. Editing is removing mistakes, cutting out unnecessary pauses, adding text or captions, adjusting the sound in your video, adding captions to your video, and at the end of the day, making your video to flow naturally and smoothly. I need you to know that good editing is always invisible. If people notice you're editing too much, it means that you have done too much. Now, to understanding storytelling. Even short videos need storytelling. A 30 seconds video still has a structure. Every video has three-part structure, which is the hook, the body, and the ending, which is the part where you add your call to action. Your hook must grab attention, say something bold, or maybe ask a question. Like sometimes, to start a video, some people would say, have you ever noticed, or they might even say, the last time I went to Lagos, Nigeria, these were the things that I noticed. That's a hook. That kind of thing will grab attention. Listen to what you want to say. If I were to be passing by and I hear somebody play this video, would it attract me? Is it bold enough to attract me? Is it good enough to grab my attention? Now, to the body of your video. Deliver the message and make it clear and simple. If it means you writing your content down, make sure that the body of your content is as clear as possible, as direct as possible. The ending of your video should tell your videos what you want them to do. Probably you're doing a marketing video for your course. The ending of your video should tell your viewers what to do. Probably to check the link in your bio, or they should follow you, or they should comment under your post, leave a comment under my post, follow me for more. The ending of your video should call them to action. That is what call to action means. Even if you're doing a faith video, the first structure is the hook. The second one is the body, which passes the message. And the last one is the call to action, which is the end of your video. It is either calling them to follow, drop a comment, or you're either asking them to buy your course. Editing helps to improve storytelling by removing distractions and keeping your viewers engaged. Your video is bad when you have long silences, ramble, or no specific ending. And your video is good when you have a strong start, clean cuts, captions, and a clear ending. Now, let's see the practical aspect of this video editing class. Over to CapCut. In the next session, I will begin with practical editing, like trimming clips and clearing up footage. Your assignment after this class is very simple. Record a 30 to 60 second video clip. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.